So I think it's time to speak up against the riots happening in my hometown, the West Garo Hills district, Meghalaya. In that particular region, I want you to know that the minority community is being genocide, is being killed, their home is being destroyed, their home is being fired by a group of tribal people from the Garo community. This is a direct act of terrorism. This terrorism should stop immediately. The authorities and the government should stop this act of terrorism as soon as possible and take appropriate action against the culprit. And the government should provide protection and safety for both the community, tribal and non-tribal. And it's very sad, unfortunate to see the Garo brother and sister. They lost their mind in this 21st century. Still, their mentality is very low. I request them to educate, to grow up. In a democratic country, everybody has the right to contest the election. In a democratic country, law allows the minority people to elect their representative in the council. You cannot take away their rights forcefully when law is allowing. You can go to the court, you can appeal. Who are you to take the law in your hands? Stop this kind of nonsense. I'm not against the Garo people. I love them. I always speak in favor of the tribal people. But when it is wrong, it's wrong. Why you are killing the innocent people? And you are simply saying they're from the Bangladesh? The Garo people, the Chakma people, you are from the Bangladesh. We are not. And this is very unfortunate. Guys, share this video as soon as possible if you're from Meghalaya.